One question that I get on a regular basis is, when you meet with a client, what happens at a client intake? So typically at a client intake, I will be there along with the legal assistant who's assigned to the case, and we're going to meet our client and their family. And at the initial meeting, what we're trying to do is get to know the client, get to know the client's background, in effect, get to know the client's story, and then talk about the specific information that's relevant to the case. So we're going to ask the typical questions like name, address, date of birth, social security number. We're going to talk about their health insurance, who that's through. If it's an auto case, we'll talk about their auto insurance coverage, if they have uninsured motorist coverage. If another person was at fault, we'll see if they have their insurance information. We'll ask about the damage to their car if it's a automobile case. Then we're going to go through the person's prior medical history. We're going to want to find out if the individual has prior auto accidents, prior workers' comp claims, who their family doctor is. And then we're going to talk about the specific injuries and body parts that the individual had damage to them in the case. And then we're going to want to find out if prior to that situation, the fact pattern involved in this accident, if they've ever had any treatment for that condition. So for example, if it's a fractured left knee, we're going to want to know any prior doctor's medical treatment, x-rays, MRIs, CAT scans, surgeries to the left knee. And the reason for that is we're going to want to order up all those prior records, because as part of the situation in representing the client, we're going to have to get certified copies of all those records and explain to the insurance company and or to a jury what the difference was from the pre-existing condition to the condition that we're claiming in this accident.